Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use if function in LibreOffice Calc. So for example, we have here a table with name of the people and the number of projects. So if you would like to use here if function, I will type here maybe checker column, because I want to check if each person has too much projects or not. So I click double time here and I type here equal sign. Then I type here if and I open the bracket. So if the number of projects is less than 21, I want to have here displayed the text OK. But otherwise, I want to have here text displayed too much. Okay, so we need to type here this formula, we need to close the bracket, and then we will need to press enter. So I press the enter. If the number of projects is less than 21, we will display here OK. But if the number of the projects will be greater than 21, we will display here too much. So now I click on this one cell, I press and hold blue box on the right down corner, and I change position of the cursor to the downside. And now you will see here which people have here too much projects. So Gabby has too much projects, John has too much projects, and Martin has too much projects. But Mark, Camille, and Adam have correct number of projects. So in this way you can use if function in LibreOffice Calc. So we need to insert here condition, what will happen if the result of this condition is true, and what will happen if the result of this condition isn't true. So it is how it works. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.